Picture this, you run a real estate business and you have tons of manual tasks such as managing invoices and copy and pasting the invoice data into your CRM. These invoices come from everywhere, from people, from companies, from other contractors, and they all land into your email. And each of these invoices has to manually validate it and approve it by person. And each of these invoices has to be manually validated by a human and manually added to CRM. And it's really time consuming, old way of doing things, and it's like really using flip phones when everyone have smartphone. And that's where our solution comes to rescue. Hey there, my name is Sviat and welcome to my channel. For those who doesn't know who I am ex-CEO of software development company helping real estate businesses to optimize work processes smoothly. And now I own AI automation agency that helps real estate businesses to integrate AI automation to their business flows. Let's take a moment and understand what our solution is designed to solve. Businesses, especially in the real estate sector, are dealing with hundreds of invoices daily. They come from service providers, contractors, suppliers, and often sent to generic company email. Every single invoice requires human time to check for accuracy and then manually enter into CRM. It's time-consuming, error-prone, and frankly process tag in the past. Our solution tackles this issue heads on. By automating invoice extracting, we not only eliminate the risk of human error, but save countless hours that would be spent for entering this data manually. No more late nights hunched over spreadsheets, no more worries about invoice slipping through the cracks. With our Zapier integration of Gmail, Google Drive, Nanonets, and Google Sheet, invoices are seamlessly scanned, validated, and entered to CRM. It's efficient, it's precise, and more importantly, it gives a business freedom to focus on the more important things, which is growth. With this solution, our AI automation agency can bring the real value to the business world. It's not just trendy tech fix, but truly game changers that improving the workflows and boost productivity. And that's, my friend, power of AI and automation. Okay, this is how our Zap looks like. More details on that will be later in the video, so stay tuned. Now I'm sending an email with invoice to see what we got. I prepared the fake invoice with fake data. So here I send the email to my private admin account, and also I have to mention the invoice word in the subject. More on this later. And I hit send, and after Zapier realizes that there is a new email with attachment, it analyzes and adds to Google Sheets with this data, as you see, and also it adds to invoices folder. Also very important that it adds the URL here, so we can actually take a look there. And that's it. This is how it works. By the way, Google Sheets is just for showcase. Actually, in the future, your client, you would probably want to integrate this into CRM. Comment below if you want me to create a video how I do this actually for CRM. Do you like this video so far? Give it a like. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a world for me. Thank you. Let's talk about whiz band called Nanonets. This is awesome tool, like a super magnet that gets all important stuff from our invoices. It's like having a pile of puzzle pieces, and we're looking for that final piece to finish our picture. Finding it would be tricky and slow, right? But with Nanonets, it's a cinch. It swoops in, finds a piece, and helps us to finish the puzzle fast. That's why we need Nanonet. This is our super powerful tool that helps us to manage all of this wild world of invoices. The cool thing is that Nanonets gives us 500 files to handle for free. Yep, you heard right, free as a bird. Getting started is pretty easy. You just sign up and you get access to the dashboard, and also you can upload your invoice and see how it finds the correct data in the invoice. And here we see how it finds the data. So here we have fields and values to this, which is insane. And here in the middle we have our invoice, which is PDF, and on the right we have the data what this tool find for us. And you may ask, where is the trick? And trick is that this is an AI part of our integration. It grabs all important data and show up to us. In the technical world, it's called parsing. But all you need to know is this tool is like a detective, finds every single important information for us. Okay, and now let's go to our Zap integration. Let's go by every single step. I will show you what I implemented here. So first step is Gmail integration, and we are looking for event new attachment. What means is we're not only get triggered when any email comes in. We triggers only when email has attachment. On the trigger, we look only for unread messages, and search string must be subject invoice. Search string is the same thing what you would do searching in your Gmail inbox. Here we have additional filter that process will not come through if there is no attachment in the email. Next we have Nanonets integration. For connecting the account, you need API key from the Nanonets, and this is how you wanna look for this. And you can find this key over here in your dashboard. Here under account info, you have API key. So basically, when you are going to sign in, it will ask you only for this key. So you just copy and paste, and then it will sign in. In the action dropdown, we have file, so we choose the attachment, and also we select application ID. It will next step is that we are uploading file to Google Drive, so obviously event is upload the file, and action is that we are selecting Google Drive here as a drive. Also we selecting the folder where do we want to store our invoices, and also we select the file attachment. Here we give the custom name if we want, but it's not necessary. By default it provides the original name. And last part is that we are creating the row in the Google spreadsheet. So in action we select drive, we select spreadsheet, we select sheet, and also we map every single field we want to add. So for example, I have here a number, amount, due date, supplier name, and invoice URL. And here I go one by one, clicking. So here is number, invoice number, and I select one by one here, and also provide URL. And that's it. We optimized it very time-consuming task. That grabs invoice from the inbox, extract all the data we need for invoices, and store this into CRM. In our case, this is Google Sheet. And value to the business is clear. We minimized a risk of human error and let people who was working on this manual task to focus on another aspect of their business. Thank you for watching. Check this video where I built the chatbot with real API integration. Bye bye.